If you have heard of the iconic 7-Up drink, then you must be interested in the fascinating history behind it. Do you remember the days when 7-Up was considered uncool? The period from 1969 to 1973 marked a significant transformation for 7-Up, from being uncool to the UNCOLA. The story of 7-Up dates back to its invention in 1929 by Charles Leeper Grigg. Originally named Bib-Label Lithiated Lemon-Lime Soda, the drink was marketed as a lemon-lime flavored beverage with a touch of lithium citrate, a mood-stabilizing ingredient. Despite the unusual name and ingredients, 7-Up started gaining popularity and became the third best-selling soft drink in the world. In 1948, the U.S. government banned the use of lithium in foodstuffs, leading to the removal of the mood-altering drug from 7-Up's recipe. However, it wasn't until the late 1960s that 7-Up underwent a significant rebranding with the introduction of the UNCOLA advertising campaign. The campaign aimed to change the perception of 7-Up as an uncool drink enjoyed mainly by the older generation. The UNCOLA advertising campaign was a game-changer for 7-Up. The ads exuded a counterculture influence and emphasized the uniqueness of the drink compared to traditional colas. The message was clear: 7-Up was different, and it was something to be proud of. The campaign resonated with consumers, especially the younger generation, and resulted in a significant surge in 7-Up sales. Today, we have the privilege of delving into this remarkable era through a collection of captivating photographs from the 1969 to 1973 UNCOLA advertising campaign. These images capture the essence of a time when 7-Up redefined itself and became a cultural phenomenon. From psychedelic visuals to bold slogans, these ads reflect the spirit of change and rebellion that swept through the 1970s. The most exciting part is still ahead, so let's immerse ourselves in the images and reminisce about that era. Join us as we journey through the historical context of 7-Up's transformation, and savor the history encapsulated in these iconic photographs.